beautiful day.
So much for picking me up today. It was wonderful to be on this fantastic bike and just look at the colour of this. I've never seen anything like it, so tell me about the colour first.
Okay, it was a Roadmaster Elite, so 5 of these in Australia. This has got Corbin blue and the Boss.
In Australia?
5 of these in Australia, I got the first one.
And you got the first one, okay. Because it's just amazing in the sun. Like, I've never seen a blue like it. It's incredible. But tell me about, again, the gold Indian badging.
23 carat gold leaf.
23 carat gold leaf on the logo there. That's incredible.
Yep.
And you've had the seat all specially done with the blue trim to pick it
Well,
up.
seat's a personal thing for a motorbike rider, so I got that done for myself, and I wanted to keep all the branding there and what have you. I love it, very comfortable.
Yep.
So this comes with the armrest.
It was comfortable.
It was, yeah, you know.
It's not often I'm on the back of a bike, but this was absolute a pleasure to be on the back, and my arse was warm. You got the seat warming up for me, and
beautiful now, but it was chilly this morning.
Warm arse, and it was just fantastic. And you're going to take me back to the hotel and drop me off like a true gentleman would. But will you still love me in the morning?
'Cause it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Peace be your name, I'll never be the same. Spend my life doing all, I never stop for a chat. I walk and I wonder, I'll always stay under. This is how you remind me, you'll stand right behind me, you'll stay out in front, I'll pull a new stunt. Just walk right beside me and go for a ride. If you stay inside, everything will be alright. Everything will be alright, yeah, 'cause it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.